This is an instructional video on how to install the O-ring on an LP underdrain block. Typical issues with installing the O-ring on the block is if you install the O-ring at one corner and pull to the opposite corner, whenever the O-ring is installed, all of your slack will be on one side. If that happens, whenever the blocks are assembled, the O-ring will actually roll out of the joint, therefore not sealing off the O-ring slot. So to install correctly, you take the O-ring, place on one end of the block, pull to the other end, and roll it down over the edge. That way there's no excess slop the whole way around and it is within the groove where it's supposed to be. Next, you'll take your lubricant, it can either be duck butter or this Dawn dish soap, apply it to the O-ring. Lubrication is the most important part whenever installing these blocks because it will stop the O-ring from rolling out of the groove. If the O-ring rolls out of the groove whenever you're installing, the blocks must be taken apart and the O-ring placed back into the slot. Once the lubrication is on the O-ring, you can verify that the O-ring is seated correctly by rotating it within the slot. That will ensure that there's no slop on either end and lubrication is all the way around the block.